How to delete AI on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete AI on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you don't know, then your AI means that if you open up your Snapchat application over here, as you'll be able to find it, and then you just come to the chat page, as you can find here, you'll be able to find My AI, which is at the very top of the screen. Now My AI is just basically a chat bot that Snapchat has released so that it can assist you in any type of general queries that you might have, and this is really trending these days. All of the applications are trying to implement this into the system, but unfortunately you will not be able to remove and delete My AI or delete this AI thing from your Snapchat feed unless you are a premium user on Snapchat. Yes, you heard it correct. You need to be a Snapchat Plus premium user in order to be able to remove My AI. So if I just go ahead and open up My AI over here, and then I asked itself to remove myself from the chat feed, and what it told me was that only Snapchat Plus subscribers will get the dibs on the new My AI features and can also choose to remove or unpin My AI from their chat feed. Unfortunately, that's the only way we can do about it. Now let's say that you have the premium. You just need to long press on the My Chat AI option, go to chat settings, and then you'll find the option to clear the AI from your chat feed. If you want to get Snapchat Plus, tap your Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen, and then here you'll find the option called Snapchat Plus. You want to make sure to just tap on it and then make sure to subscribe to it. You'll be able to get all the benefits from it. But so far Snapchat has only made one way possible, that is to get the premium version, and I think this is personally just a very bad move from Snapchat. So I hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.